Hello guys, welcome to my channel RKG Tutorials. So we are in the 13th class. If still not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do watch the previous classes. To the continuation to the previous class, let us solve one more problem on plug setting multiplier of the relay. So here we have given a question that if a fault current is 2 kilo amperes, relay setting is 50% and CT ratio is 400 by 5, then PSM of the relay is, so we are given with the options. So let us solve the PSM. Let us look at the solution. So we already knew that PSM of a relay can be defined fault current of primary, this is primary, over CT ratio multiplied by relay pickup value. So here fault current is given, relay setting is given. Relay setting, here we don't see relay setting, so there is something which we have to include then. CT ratio is given clearly, RPV is not given, so we have to calculate first RPV, relay pickup value. What is relay pickup value? Above which the relay is expected to operate, so that is what is RPV. It is also a current. So what is RPV? What is the formula for RPV? It is relay setting multiplied by rating of relay. Rating of relay. So here relay setting is given, that is 50%, but it is not given rating of the relay. So where this relay is connected, the relay coil is connected where? So the relay coil is connected. So here if you consider this is the CT primary, this is the line. So here somewhere we got short circuit fault. So here the secondary of the CT will be there. To the secondary of the CT we have relay coil. This is relay coil. So to which the plunger and the mechanism, whole mechanism of the relay will be there. So this relay coil is connected to the secondary of the CT, so that we can simply take the secondary of the CT as the rating of the relay if the rating of the relay is not mentioned. So simply we can take here relay setting is 50%, so 50 by 100 multiplied by rating of the relay is on the secondary of the CT, that is 5. This is the note here. The rating of the relay is taken as the secondary of the CT. Now if you calculate, you will get, so this is going to be 52 times, so it's going to be 5 by 2, nothing but 2.5 amperes is the relay pickup value, which means above this value the relay is expected to operate. Now let us calculate the PSM. Directly I am writing the PSM. So here the fault current is given, that is 2 kilo amperes. 2 kilo means 2000 amperes over CT ratio is 400 by 5 multiplied by relay pickup value is 2.5. So what you are going to get here, 2 zeros gets cancelled. Here 4 5 times, 5 goes up, 5 5 25 upon 2.5. So you are going to get 10. So this is the PSM, plug setting multiplier. So where is the option? Option D is the correct one. I hope you understand. So here one more point is PSM has no units, since it is a ratio of the two currents. This is the fault current is a current, and CT ratio and this one both are current. So simply this CT ratio has no units because it is a ratio of the currents, primary to the secondary. This is the current, so current gets cancelled, so there is no units for the PSM. And if PSM is equal to 1, that is a verge of operation. If PSM is greater than 1, the relay must operate. So here the PSM is greater than 1, so the relay must operate. So this is what you have to remember. I hope you understand. Thank you. Signing off.